Looking for a powerful desktop computer that doesn't take up your entire desk? Mini PCs have become incredibly capable, offering impressive performance for work, entertainment, content creation, and even gaming, all in a compact form factor. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs of 2026. We'll cover their features, performance, pros, cons, and help you find the perfect mini computer for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 4300U processor paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, this compact computer supports triple 4K displays and includes USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Gigabit Ethernet connectivity. The Pinova P1 is an excellent budget-friendly mini PC for office work, web browsing, online learning, streaming, and everyday productivity. The Ryzen 4300U delivers smooth multitasking performance while maintaining excellent power efficiency. Its support for triple 4K displays makes it especially attractive for professionals who use multiple monitors for productivity. Despite its compact size, it provides all the connectivity most users need. Pros: affordable price point, efficient AMD Ryzen processor, triple 4K display support, compact and quiet design, USB-C connectivity, good everyday performance. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable mini PC for work, school, and general home use, the KAMRUI Pinova P1 delivers excellent value. Number 2. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC. This mini PC features an Intel Core 14450HX processor with 10 cores and 16 threads, 32 GB of RAM, a fast 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, triple 4K display support, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. The Hyper H2 is built for users who need serious computing power. The Intel Core 14450HX processor handles multitasking, content creation, productivity applications, and even light workstation workloads with ease. The combination of 32 GB RAM and a fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures responsive performance even when running multiple applications simultaneously. Pros: powerful 10-core processor, large 32 GB memory capacity, fast 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, triple 4K monitor support, excellent multitasking performance. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 is an excellent choice for professionals, power users, and content creators seeking desktop-class performance in a compact package. Number 3. BOSGAME E4 Mini PC. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 3550H processor, 16 GB DDR4 memory, and a 512 GB PCIe SSD, it offers triple 4K display support, dual Ethernet ports, USB-C connectivity, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. The BOSGAME E4 is a versatile mini PC that performs well for office work, media streaming, home server setups, and light productivity tasks. The dual Ethernet ports make it particularly attractive for networking enthusiasts and small business environments. Its compact design fits almost anywhere while still offering a good selection of ports and upgrade options. Pros: dual Ethernet ports, triple 4K display support, good connectivity options, compact design, reliable everyday performance, competitive pricing. The BOSGAME E4 is a solid all-around mini PC that offers excellent flexibility for home, office, and networking applications. Number 4. MINISFORUM MS01 Mini Workstation. Featuring an Intel Core i9-13900H processor, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, dual USB 4 ports, support for 8K displays, dual 10G SFP2 ports, dual 2.5G LAN ports, and optional RTX graphics expansion support. The MS-01 is less of a mini PC and more of a compact workstation. Designed for professionals, developers, creators, and IT enthusiasts, it offers exceptional connectivity and expansion options rarely seen in this form factor. The combination of high-end processing power and enterprise-grade networking capabilities makes it ideal for demanding workloads. Pros: powerful Core i9 processor, professional workstation capabilities, dual 10G SFP2 networking, multiple high-speed expansion options, 8K display support, RTX graphics expansion compatibility. If you need workstation-level performance in a compact footprint, the MS-01 is one of the most capable mini PCs available in 2026. Number 5. GMKtec M7 Ultra Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor, this mini PC includes 32GB DDR5 RAM, a 1TB PCIe SSD, dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, dual USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, USB-C, and Oculink support for external GPU connectivity. The GMKtec M7 Ultra is designed for users who want a balance between productivity and gaming performance. The Ryzen 7 Pro processor delivers excellent efficiency and strong multitasking capabilities, while Oculink support opens the door for connecting powerful external graphics cards. This flexibility makes it a future-proof option for users who may want to upgrade their graphics performance later. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 Pro processor, fast DDR5 memory, Oculink external GPU support, dual USB 4 ports, dual 2.5G networking, excellent connectivity options. The GMKtec M7 Ultra is an excellent mini PC for users who want strong productivity performance today and the option to expand into gaming or creative workloads tomorrow. So, which mini PC should you buy? KAMRUI Pinova P1, best overall budget mini PC for everyday productivity. KAMRUI Hyper H2, best performance-focused mini PC for professionals. BOSGAME E4, best value mini PC with versatile connectivity. MINISFORUM MS-01, best mini workstation for creators and power users. GMKtec M7 Ultra, best mini PC for future expansion and gaming flexibility. Whether you're working from home, streaming media, running a home office, or building a compact workstation, one of these mini PCs can deliver impressive performance without taking up valuable desk space.